importance of software to train accounting students is growing in the information technology era. While many of the more well-known titles are foreign, a Malaysian company has shown that locals too have the know-how to produce such computer programs. This is what the software known as Mr. Accounting is all about. The software makes sure that accounts books and other conventional accounting tools are now things of the past. In this week's Sunday special, Nightline's Ganai Lane takes a closer look at how convenient the software is to both students and educators.
Keeping a good set of accounts is vital for the growth of businesses. And acknowledging the importance of knowledge economy or K-economy, the first ever accounting book was produced in Malaysia, believed to be the first in Asia. The book gives a step-by-step insight in learning computerized accounting, which comes together with an accounting software, Mr. Accounting. Mr. Accounting is a trilingual software. Many colleges and universities have begun using the software to teach their students. As Malaysia moves towards a knowledge-based economy, the need to develop knowledgeable and skilled workers is required. As such, new software that will help ease the education process is essential, as it is crucial in the information technology world today. According to the producer of Mr. Accounting, MySoft Corporation, it's not easy to find effective teaching and learning tools. To encourage youngsters to be IT literate, there must be some easy learning tools for them to follow, with minimum guidance from teachers and lecturers.
And what is a good material? First, you have to be very interactive, very colorful, and very detailed in the sense of like this, step by step, screen by screen, so that when the user starts using a software, he or she can refer back to the screen and then continue. So this will be build up a confidence of the user.
He added, an easy-to-follow computerized Mr. Accounting guidance book and software not only helps building good foundation for students, but provide better understanding for end users within a shorter period of time. Some people I spoke to said such way of learning, especially for the younger generation, is a good move, who will be out facing the increasingly complex IT world tomorrow.
Especially for accounting graduates, we really need to ensure that when they complete their studies, they can able to go into the company and sort of like to handle the computerized accounting environment. Because by the time they graduate, the IT will be very important, and that is why at this stage we have introduced the computerized accounting onto their program.
Because the IT education actually is important, especially in the future world. We know that the world is getting smaller because of information technology. So I think we should start earlier in the secondary school.
While others say computer softwares help make teaching and learning much easier.
They can learn to use the computer way of doing the accounting, so that you can forget about the manual system. The manual system is a bit slow, and computer system is easier to understand, and you can get better results, better printout. And
what happens is, oftentimes when we're in the classroom, we focus on the theoretical aspects of accounting. I mean, we have our textbooks, our thick textbooks, and we study from it. But what the students fail to see is actually how it works hands-on in the working environment. And this system, I feel, provides the bridge between the theory world and practical.
Better than like using pen and a paper and then like making all the corrections and stuff. And this is easier because it has a lot of tutorial skills, and then you just type whatever the data is, and then it does a lot. It simplifies a lot of the steps for you.
So much easier compared to manual, because sometimes even you go wrong, you know where the mistake is, so it's not a problem actually compared to manual, because manual is like you got to detect your mistakes by yourself, and it may not be right.
But then like using like computerized software to do it is much more interesting, I feel, and they have like different colors incorporated, and it's making it more colorful and it's more interesting.
Besides Malaysia, Myanmar has also introduced Mr. Accounting in its translated version, and the response from other neighbouring countries have been encouraging too. I'm Ganai Ling reporting for Nightline TV3.